Good day, everyone. This is Group 5 consisting of Aguilar, Docunes, De Los Santos, Gallardo, Irabon, Obillas, and Manuel, and we will be introducing to you to the database Ovid MEDLINE. When planning a project, there is a need to gather relevant information that will aid in decision-making, among others. For this, various databases can be used to do so. And in this presentation, we'll be using Ovid MEDLINE. MEDLINE is a premier bibliographic database by the National Library of Medicine, or NLM for Life Sciences and Biomedicine. It includes over 31 million references covering a wide range of topics and records as indexed with NLM Medical Subject Headings, or MESH. Through MESH, there is consistency when it comes to searching for information. The MEDLINE database can be accessed through PubMed or Ovid platforms. The Ovid platform, known as Ovid MEDLINE, notably has features and an interface for advanced searching. These makes it useful, especially for researchers or professionals when they need more control over the details of information that ought to be gathered. Ovid MEDLINE also has a graphical controlled vocabulary thesaurus that displays the subject headings MESH. MESH, also known as Medical Subject Headings, is a controlled vocabulary of biomedical terms that are utilized to index records or documents in MEDLINE. All of these contribute to a systematic searching process. As Ovid MEDLINE consists of various potential sources of information, strategies to navigate through this database is essential. The steps to create a systematic research strategy are as presented. These were applied in searching for information for the project Oral Medcare, which addresses patient non-compliance through a notification reminder system, and we will be discussing how these steps were applied in further parts of the presentation. It is important to note that these first steps effectively validate the use of the project title as the basis for our keywords and search terms. The title encapsulates the essence of our focused question and directly points to the key concepts we need to explore. Hence, the title Adherence to Post-Treatment Care and Medication is crucial for the success of the treatment is our main basis for finding related literature. Based on this title, the keywords that reflect the core concepts of the project are derived, namely adherence, post-treatment, medication, and success. Each keyword can also have alternative terms that are synonymous or related to the topic, which can be used to widen the search topics. For our project, the following alternative words were identified, and we will be using these terms to construct our search. These terms can further be edited to optimize their use, and various techniques are used to broaden or narrow the search. First, words with alternative endings are truncated with an asterisk. For instance, instead of typing follow and following in the same search query, follow with an asterisk at the end can simply be used. For words that are supposed to be searched as is, where the reference must contain a specific phrase in a specific order, quotation marks are used. These allows the results to contain the exact words in the exact sequence instead of individual varied words scattered across a source. Next, proximity operators can also be utilized. As in its name, this technique allows us to search two terms in close proximity with each other. In our database, the syntax is ADGN, where n is the number of words between the search terms. So if, for example, rehabilitation ADG3 phase is typed, the results could include preferences with the phrases phase of rehabilitation as the number of words between the two terms is within 3.
Moving on, to narrow down and widen search topics using the search engine, Boolean operators and mesh terms are utilized. Boolean operators allows us to control how search terms are combined. One of the Boolean operators we can use is OR. This operator is used for combining related words such as adherence or compliance or follow or conform. These terms are not exactly the same but convey similar meanings. If or combines related words, and combines distinct words. By using and, all terms that are specified in the search query must be included. An example of a possible search query is prescription and effective. Results will include only those articles where both the term prescription and the term effective are present. We will now move on to the actual practice of searching related publications to our project. Feel free to follow up on the steps using your devices right now. To begin, open the Ovid MEDLINE website and click Open Athens Institutional to log into your UP Mail account. Then, type and select University of the Philippines, Manila to find your institution, after which, select or log in your UP Mail account. If this picture showed up, you may try another way as shown in the screen. With this, you will be directed to the Ovid MEDLINE platform with your account logged in. Now, we can proceed to the advanced search option of the page. Enter the first set of related search terms one at a time. Each search is added to the search history. Repeat the process for all related search terms. When the set of related search terms are added, combine them into a single search using OR. Next, select each combined search, then click the End button. The combined search will then be added to the search history. As noticed, fewer results are now seen since there are only articles that mention all three of the three search concepts. Moving on, click Display Results to view results. You may now look through results to identify articles relevant to the assignment question. Finally, click to check if the full text of the article is available in Library Search. Through Ovid MEDLINE, we were able to find publications related to our project. These resulting publications must be evaluated as well. After it is checked, other databases can be further utilized to gather more information. In conclusion, conducting a successful search in databases involves a strategic approach. By identifying key concepts and incorporating tools like Boolean operators, truncation, and proximity operators, we can significantly refine our search process.